Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I will help you how to fix Chat GPT. If you're logged into your Chat GPT account and not working, you will see your clock is behind. So first, you will back to the home page and you will tap the setting. Next, go to General Management. Set the date and time, just click in. Again, go back to Google Chrome and look for your account. The next option is go to right corner and tap the three dots. Then, let's proceed to settings. After that, tap the privacy and security and click to clear browsing data. Then, you will clear all data, the browsing, and cache. If you're done, go back to your Chrome, then log in again to your account. Now, you may continue your page. And that's all. Thank you for watching.